Hey guys, I am getting ready to make my coffee and program it for tomorrow morning. And I just thought I'd hop on here real quick and review this coffee maker. I bought this coffee maker on Amazon several years ago. It's held up really well. My mom and dad have this coffee maker. My sister-in-law has this coffee maker. My brother has this coffee maker. It's great. It's straightforward. It's easy to use. You can see it's starting to wear that says program, but I've pushed that button so many times that it's wearing over. Like I said, this is a couple years old. So to program it, right now it's just on. If I wanted, I could hold that in and see. So right now it's programmed to start brewing coffee at 6:12 a.m. For brew options, you can push that and it gives you that bold option or not. I never mess with that. I just leave it as is. It does have the option to do your pot of coffee or your single serve. So like here's your pot of coffee, or you could just put some coffee grounds in here, your water in here, put your coffee mug here, and it's going to drip. So I love that feature. If it's just, for one person and they're on the go real quick, they can still make their single cup, or you can brew a whole pot of coffee. Like I said, it's very straightforward. So I went ahead and I filled my coffee pot with water. And I'm just going to open up the back here. And I'm going to pour that coffee in. I'm sorry, that water in so that it'll be ready in the morning. I'm brewing 10 cups. It holds 12 though, and you can see right here, I'm actually just a little shy under 10, but it's fine. But it does hold 12 cups. So I'll close that. I have my coffee filter. I'm gonna stick that in here. And then I'm going to get my coffee grounds. I usually do 2 heaping scoops, but that's how much coffee you use. That's your preference. I'm not really much of a measurer. Anyway, that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on so that it will go off in the morning and I'll wake up to coffee. This coffee maker, like I said, it's held up for years. It's fantastic. I've never had a single problem with it. It works flawlessly. It's very easy and straightforward, and it's great. So anyway, if you're in the market for a new coffee maker, I would absolutely recommend this one. It's awesome.
We absolutely love this Hamilton Beach 2-station coffee maker. And we've had this for a month now, and we really like this coffee maker. The price is excellent for what you get. There's a lot of great features about it. It has an individual cup maker, and then the multi 12 cup maker pops in this little kind of cup here, and you just pour your water in at the top. And I've already put coffee in this, and I really like the screen. I used to be a barista, and the screen is very fine so the grounds don't get into the coffee. Super easy. It slides in, down, and then you can switch it over to single serve. So we actually use the large serve oftentimes for mate. And then you just press the button here and it drips your individual cup. It just takes a few seconds to start. There is a little vent up here, but I'm sure you can see there's just a tiny little bit of steam that comes out. We've never seen large amounts come out. I do move it away from our cabinet a little bit, but nothing like our last coffee maker where it just completely poured out and billowed and started ruining our cabinets. This coffee maker is great. I love the way that it looks. It's nice and sleek. The water for the larger container area goes in the back. In the front, you put your coffee and super easy to use. We absolutely love this product, and it's a great price as well compared to other ones. I did a lot of price comparison, and this one just seemed to be the best, and we're really, really glad and pleased that we bought it. You can program it, just excellent.
This is my review, Hamilton Beach. I think the white one looks a little plasticky, but other than that, really nice. I very much like, I bought a basket for it. It does not come with an inside basket. I do like that it has separate area for the water to easily be poured into. The self-serve one also has a nice area that you can fill water into as well. With its own separate single tray. This basket came with it. You can also buy both of them on Amazon if you want extras. This has the separate for the single. Coffee pot. You can choose single or carafe and get it started. That easy. Switch it over, do your single serve. Just to get an idea, a cup that'll fit in it. There's about 16 or 20 ounces. It'll fit.
This coffee pot is awesome. It's the Hamilton Beach 12 cup 2-way programmable coffee pot. Probably one of my favorite purchases this summer. I decided to get rid of the Keurig and all the K-pods and the expense, extra plastic. Just got tired of it, wanted to go old school. It is old school, but it's also got the single serve, which is amazing because sometimes I don't want to do a full pot. If I know I'm going to be in a hurry in the morning, I can just do a quick single cup and I'm good to go. But as far as the coffee pot itself, man, I totally forgot how nice it was to wake up to fresh brewed coffee in the morning. That smell is so nice. It really helps me get out of bed and get my day going. Love this coffee pot. If you don't have it, you should get it.
I programmed my coffee this morning to start brewing at 8:30. So when I came downstairs, it was brewing already.
This is what happens. It just drips everywhere. So if you want a mess to clean every morning, this is for you. It's ridiculous.
I got no doubt that we'll see better days.